Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan. Username Muhammad Zahir. Mention number 267 Today I will present about individual lab 3, which is my project, Maz Kitchen. Okay, today I will show the main page, which load data from database. Second, uh, list data in the list structure. Third, latest data. And fourth, button search to search the intended data. Okay, first press the browser. Okay, I will show the website. Okay, okay. First you display the login page. Before login, need to register the name and account. Okay, first put the name, Muhammad Farhan. Okay, okay. For the email, uh, Farhan. Okay, number. Okay, password. Pak An 123. Password Pak An 223. Okay, then press the submit button. Then the register is successful. Okay, then the return to the login. Okay, I will enter the email Pak An. Okay, the password lah. Okay, the login is successful. Then we go to the index.php. Okay, these are our the list of product. First, I will show the data programming database, programming PHP. Okay, first for the login, this is the login HTML. As you can see, has the register HTML. The register, they will pop up to the login HTML. Okay, have the form, which are email, password, and remember password. Then press button submit. Okay, I will show the register.html as the register title of register form. Okay, ni our header for the mask audio system, and has the form name, email, phone, password, and remember password, and button submit. Then I will show the okay for the register.php, as the database have been connected to the dbconnect.php, has your name, email, password, phone. Okay, for the login, has the dbconnect. Receive for the email after register and password. Then the people register is login successful. Then we go to the index.php. If register is failed, there will be pop up to the login.html. Okay, I will explain about the index.php. Okay, for the index.php has a DB Connect. Okay, has the data from the database. Insert the card. Okay, this about the search and list of product. Okay, ni for the HTML as a my shop. Load cookies, kitchen, homepage, my card, and logout. Has the list of product, which are for the search, has the all to press. Then have the creamware, frozen food, and dessert. For the new product, have new product. For the user need register the new product. Have the form, which are the product type, price, quantity, and so on. Okay, I will explain the browser. Okay, before to add the product, has press the button. Okay, for the new product. Okay, I will show the the procedure how to add. Okay, press post folder, and I will try to update the ice cream, Chucky and Milo. Okay, ice cream, Chucky and Milo. Okay, product type for the dessert, price RM1, and quantity have the 20. Okay, then press button submit. Okay, the register have been successful. Then they will go to the index.php. Then the data have been latest after the system have been added. Okay, then I will try search the item. I will search the curry puff. Yeah. Then they will show. Then we display the curry puff daging. Okay. Last I will show. I will search for the display the ice cream. Ice cream. No space. Okay. They will display the ice cream. This the latest have been added for today. Okay, then I will show the database have been loaded from the browser to the database. Okay, this is for the database. Okay, for the TBL user. Okay, the user have been added and registered. Okay, for the product. Okay, this the product have been added for the Chucky and Milo, and so on. And that's all for me. I will log out the browser. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.